Now let's look at the Speck Folio case. This is a case style that Speck has been making for a long time, and it has a long track record of just being a great case, very protective and functional. As you can see here, it completely covers the iPad from all angles with hard plastic going around the edges, and so we've got tons of protection there. We have the folio style cover that has a clasp, and then you'll also notice the Apple Pencil sits inside of there, and so it's protected and kept safe from getting bumped. But I mean, it could get kind of, well, I'd say it could get knocked out, but I don't know. It would take a lot to really knock the Apple Pencil out of there and for it to get lost. You open up the clasp and the case opens up and the iPad screen comes on because it recognizes the opening of the front cover. And then it also operates like some of the other cases where it sits on the front cover and we can adjust the viewing angle, a lot of different viewing angle adjustments there. But not one that's super low. Most of these are pretty high angle. And so we've got the very first one, which is pretty high, a very high angle, not 90 degrees, but definitely close to that. And then we get down maybe that's 45 degrees. And so nothing lower than that. If we went lower than that, it's nothing, there's nowhere for the case to sit in. And so it kind of flops around a little bit. It's still very usable. I mean, if I was using the Apple Pencil and I had my hand on the iPad, I could definitely use the iPad in this way, but it's floppy and it's not really designed to be used this way. So I probably would either decide to rotate the device the other way just to hold it flat and keep from all of this being in my way. I could also just rotate this down. And then of course the clasp being now on the back will snap and keep it from flopping around. So that's kind of a nice feature as well. This is not going to be flopping around behind the iPad. And now I could just set the iPad down like this and use the iPad, and it is pretty sturdy now, and I can use it in a flat tabletop mode, which is great. Now, it also does have the ability here with some space in the back for me to hold it like a book. I like this. Any case that gives me an additional point of contact to hold the iPad is great, because otherwise it's hard just to squeeze the iPad with pressure and hold the iPad that way. I like having an additional point of contact here so that I can kind of sandwich a finger in between and hold some pressure on it and then hold the iPad. I don't have to squeeze my hand as hard to hold the iPad, and I really like that about this case. Now, I've had this particular case on many iPads in the past. I've had it on an iPad mini for years, and the case still looks great, and it still performs well. The clasp does not wear out. Everything has always been great about the Speck cases, and so I know from experience that this case is going to hold up. You'll also know that there's an attachment here. We could store our Apple Pencil in there, as you can see. But one unique feature is that the camera is covered up and protected. So when we have this closed, the camera has full protection. But if you want to access the camera, it just flops down like that, and then you have access to the camera. That's been a unique feature on this particular Speck case for years, is that it's one of the only cases that gives you camera protection as well. So if you're sliding this iPad in and out of bags or whatever else on tabletops, it's not, camera's not touching anything. The camera is fully protected. And then when you need to access the camera, which I don't know, if you're like me, I'm never taking photos with my iPad or using anything camera related with my iPad unless I'm scanning a QR code to set something up. I can then expose the camera so that I can use it. And that means my camera module is always going to be nice and clean and ready to go. Not going to have any scratches or any issues there. So I think Speck really landed on something when they first designed this case and came up with this kind of flap idea of protecting the camera module. A great feature and a great reason that the Speck case has stood the test of time and not requiring any design changes.